So how can you lock your photos in the Notes app on iPhone? Let's get started. If this is your first time on a Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you probably heard that you can in fact lock your photos within a Notes, and the way that it works is that you open up the Notes app. As usual, perhaps you start a brand new note, right? So you have it like separate, however you like it, and then you can see we have the ability to import the photos in there. You click on the paperclip icon and you can choose photo or video from your gallery, right? So it might be whatever. You bring it over into the Notes application, right? You can also like hold down on it and click on view as and just make it smaller. If you want to add like more pictures, it would be a better idea. And once you have the note ready with a couple of your photos, tap on the three dots in the top right and click on lock, right? So the first time, if you do it for the first time, it will ask you how you want to use it, or if you want to use the iPhone passcode to lock your notes, or Face ID, or even a custom separate password just for the notes specifically. So you need to just like set it up, but make sure you remember the passcode or password so you don't like lock yourself out of it. But that's how it works. That's how you can just lock your photos within the notes. Keep in mind, however, that it's also possible to go to your gallery as usual and click on the three dots and hide your photos. This will move them over into this like hidden folder within the Photos app, which is also protected by the Face ID and passcode. So I guess that might be a good idea as well. Depends on what exactly you prefer or which option you want to go with. But that's how it works. I just try to help you out with this. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe and stay tuned for more videos and tutorials similar to this one, and I'll see you then.